Hello, everyone. As an authorized distributor of NEPLAN software and power systems consultant, I speak with engineering teams every day who are facing the same challenge. They have world-class simulation tools, but their engineers are stuck spending weeks on manual data entry. Whether it is reading old manufacturer PDFs, scanned single-line diagrams, or equipment nameplates, manual transcription is slow and prone to errors. But today we are changing that by bringing artificial intelligence into the NEPLAN ecosystem. By leveraging the NEPLAN Web Services API, we can now build automated pipelines that inject data directly from your external databases or GIS systems into the model forms. Furthermore, for custom logic and batch processing, the NEPLAN programming library, or NPL, allows us to use C# or Python scripts to build entire network topologies programmatically. We are now using AI agents to bridge the gap. These agents can read a technical data sheet, identify the correct electrical parameters like impedance and rated voltage, and use the API to populate the NEPLAN element fields instantly. This isn't just about speed. It is about ensuring your digital twin is a 100% accurate reflection of your physical assets. Stop wasting your senior engineer's time on data entry and start focusing on high-level analysis. Reach out to us today for a technical consultation and let us show you how to build an AI-powered automated NEPLAN environment. Let's modernize your grid analysis together. Thank you.